I filmed this like 20 times. It is questions to ask yourself about your plan text. So question number 1, is this topical? If the answer is yes, proceed. Question number 2, is it grammatically correct? Am I mirroring the language of the resolution? Is the stem written correctly? If the answer is yes, you may proceed. Next question, am I mandating anything in the plan text that I don't have an explicit carded justification for? If the answer is yes, you need to change it. You need to take whatever it is out of the plan text. An example of this would be if you were to specify a specific technology that you use to do the AF. The problem that you would run into is that your opponent could just find a different technology that could be used to do the AF, read that as a counterplan, and then win on some net benefit to using that tech over yours. You might be thinking, like, that's not going to be a problem with my plan text because there's only one way to do the AF, and so there's no way for them to do that. In that case, that technology is just normal means. You don't need to specify it in your plan text still. There's always some risk that they're going to be able to find some way to leverage that against you if you don't have an explicit carded explanation for why that specific part of the plan is key. Just keep it more vague. Next, is there anything that the AF plan text does that I don't derive any offense from? If the answer is yes, that's another thing that you want to change. So let's say that you're banning all tariffs, but all your advantages only talk about a specific subset of tariffs. Very easy for the negative to read a pick. They just have to find some disadd to these other tariffs or to banning these other tariffs, and then they win. So you want to either make the plan text more specific to just that subset of tariffs, if that's topical, and if not, you want to write an advantage that uses all of the plan text, that the link is having to ban all tariffs. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Let me know if there's any other questions you ask yourself when writing a plan text. And yeah, happy Tuesday.